What is up, investors? Jason here. So I want to do a quick one right now talking about Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin is currently priced below $28,000 right now. So Bitcoin was holding on to that $28,000 price very nicely for a while there. It was managing to stay above that, had a lot of support at $28,000, and now it's fallen through that. It's currently priced at $27,000, more than $27,000 at the time of making this right now. But what I want to talk about is this falling wedge that Bitcoin has been on, because I actually just recently talked about this. I was talking about how Bitcoin was very close to just breaking out of this falling wedge, and that was if it continued to trade sideways or if the price was just to go up. But that ended up not happening. I also mentioned that it was possible the price of Bitcoin could hug the falling wedge or just continue dropping even more. It's staying within this wedge, growing within this. And this is something that that is definitely worth talking about, especially now that we have 6 days of Bitcoin being in the red. Now, some people might even say that this isn't a falling wedge pattern, but it is, even though it doesn't look like a typical falling wedge pattern. And this is just because it has just continued to consolidate more and more and more, and continuously trending down, even though it would have even larger drops, and it would just keep consolidating more and more, either a downtrend or a sideways trend, but never any sort of breakout where the price would shift directions and then continue going up. So now it's just going to continue going lower, or at some point it's going to start going sideways again, and possibly at some point break out. But we're following this pattern. This is the pattern that we're following right now. And so we might at some point be able to connect this line to this line. Hopefully that's not the case. That's what we were doing before. Now, most likely we're going to keep following the breakout line, and that's what I think we're going to see. We're going to see at some point break out through this line, and hopefully Bitcoin get back on track. But we don't know when that's going to be. We could see Bitcoin go as low as the $25,000 price, and then hopefully it will consolidate from there. I think that would be the bottom, because that's the price we have already hit. So I think that we've already seen the bottom with Bitcoin, that bottom of $25,000, and hopefully that's where we're going to see it consolidate. Otherwise, if that's not the bottom, then it can go even lower than that. So these are things that's just going on with Bitcoin right now. The whole crypto market in general just continues to get more bearish and bearish and bearish. And, you know, there could be overselling going on. There could be too much stuff priced into the crypto market right now. These are all things we don't know, but the multiple things going on with the inflation definitely affecting it. The fear of just crypto in general, the fear of the stock market, the fear of what's going on with Ethereum. You know, there's multiple things going on right now that is affecting the entire crypto market. And when you throw on things like what happened with Terra Luna and how quickly people lost money with that, it's just all out of fear that is interfering with the crypto market, making people nowhere near as bullish as were. There's a lot more people bearish on the crypto market. Many people selling out of crypto and just staying out of it for a while. And that's what's going on right now. But hopefully at some point we'll see Bitcoin get back on track, and hopefully that will help turn things around for the entire crypto market. But right now, it's still bleeding. So that's what's going on with it. But anyways, that's what I want to talk about. So I'm going to try to keep some content very short formed and just informative in that way, just doing a little bit of technicals, talking about what's going on. So if you like videos like this and content like this, please do consider subscribing if you have not already. And as always, a like does go a long way. It helps spread this content out to more people with the algorithm. So anyways, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. See you in the next one.